Hi beautiful people, I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you how I do my makeup. This is extremely beginner friendly, so if you've never used makeup, this video is for you. I think step one to make yourself look put together should be brows. I have a beautiful product here. This is Benefit's Eye Mascara. I really love this and you'll be able to see a difference in literally one swipe. You see the difference between this brow and this brow? This looks so put together, lifted and beautiful. So let's put it on the second brow too. And I think the face already looks much more better right now. Let's get going with the base. I love this wonderful product that I would like to recommend. Hold on. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me BB Cream with SPF. It's the fresh tint with SPF of 50. So it's perfect for summer. I kid you not, this is my third bottle. I like to shake it before I use. And this one just does the job for me. I'm going to take a little bit of the product at the back of my hands and that's it. And this much would just fill in my entire face and you'd see it. I like to use one single brush to apply all of my makeup. This one's PAC 265 brush. This is a foundation brush and I would be applying the Maybelline Fit Me BB Cream with this. I love how just a little bit of Fit Me BB Cream can just make your entire face look so glowy. I'm going to continue with the blush. I think everyone must have one pink blush. I have this one from K Beauty by Katrina. This is in the shade Rosy Romance and I think this is the perfect pink for me. I take it at the back of my hand, from the product in, just softly dabbing the product in my skin on the high points of my cheek. The leftovers, I like to add them here, also on my nose a little bit, just to make my entire face rosy. I think this looks really, really good. On to the next product. All right, for the next product, I have this 2-in-1 kit from Catrice. The same brush that I took previously. The contour shade and a highlighter shade like that. I like to take the contour shade on the brush, just a little bit. Tap off the excess, would start where my cheekbones are. I like to just put a little bit here and a little bit here. Not too much since I'm not doing it for the camera. I'm doing it for in person. Always remember your face must look good in person and it would automatically look good on the camera. Now I like to blend this up right here. So not taking the product any further from the cheekbones. You'll be able to see that the face is already looking so put together. Now what is left is just a little lip color and some powder to set it all in. I have so many recommendations for a lip color, but I'll start with a lip pencil first of all. This shade is called Spice Girl. It's by Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. This is a very old lip liner, but I truly think that this is the best lip liner for brown skin girls. Now that my lips are all lined, I'm ready for the little lip gloss. I don't like to apply a lipstick every day. I think a lip gloss does a better job. This one is NYX's Butter Gloss. So I'm going to apply very less of it in the middle where the line is not there. So just like this. Mascara is truly optional. This one's the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, again widely available, value for money, and is so good. Do you see the difference between this and this? And there has been literally one swipe. It's just crazy. To finish the look, I will be using a powder. This one is from Revlon. I like to apply this with the same brush that I applied my BB cream and other products. So let's quickly set my face. Not a lot of product on the brush and I always like to dust it off. And then starting with my under eyes, I like to just buff it all in. If you're an oily girl, you can actually set your entire face. Since I am a dry skin girly and I do not get oily that frequently, I only like to apply the powder on my T-zone area, especially my chin and around my nose where it gets a little bit oily. To complete the look, I'm going to just pair some golden hoop earrings. These are tiny hoops that I absolutely love. I think the earrings add a beautiful character to my look. Now I would just finish with a little overcoat because it's still not summer in Paris. Jacket of sorts. And I think it would look really good with my outfit today. So let's pair this. Final look. Let me know what you thought of the makeup in the comments below and do subscribe for more. Love you guys.